Yes. So what did I say? Silica and aluminium is Sial. Silica and magnesium is Sima. Just beneath the Earth's crust, the mantle extends up to 2,900 kilometers below the crust. Okay. Below the crust, the innermost layer is the core with a radius of 3,500 kilometers. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called knife. The central core is very high in temperature and pressure. That's where the happenings happen. The cooking goes on. Rocks and minerals are also there. Inside the Earth's crust is made up of many type of rocks. The top part. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust is called rocks. Rocks can be different color, size, texture, anything. But there are three major type of rocks. The igneous rocks, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Three type of rocks are there. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. When the lava, molten magma which is coming out from a volcano, it becomes solid when it cools down. Rocks thus formed are called igneous rocks. Molten magma is coming out from or it's inside there, or it's thrown out, and it's coming to the atmosphere outside from inside that mountain. It's falling out, it's molten, it's liquid. It cools down. Rocks are formed, it becomes hard. Now any shape and size it can form. They are called igneous rocks. Ignis is fire. In Latin word it means fire. Sedimentary is Latin word sedimentum, meaning settle down, settles down. Metamorphic in Greek is metamorphos, meaning change of form. Fire, settling down and change of form. Now one was igneous rocks. When the molten magma is thrown out, or it's rolling away, it's gliding away, it's pouring out. When it's cooled down, they form into rocks, various designs and form, and they are called igneous rocks. Fire rocks. The fire had cooled down. Ignis. We have the Maruti Ignis also, isn't it? There's a car. That means it's a fire car, powerful car. It's ignis, meaning fire. They are also called primary rocks, these igneous rocks. Now in the igneous rocks also there are two type of rocks. One is extrusive rocks and one is intrusive rocks. Can you just imagine when a hot lava comes out from a volcano? Lava is actually what? Red, fire, hot, molten magma like water from the interior of the earth on its surface. When this molten lava comes out on the surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Suddenly from that heat it's coming out, it's going to get cold. Isn't it? The top part is suddenly cold. Then the inside part, because never come out in the atmosphere surface. So when this molten lava comes out from the surface rapidly, it cools down. In any side it goes, wherever it goes it's cooling down and it forms and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. Now if you want to know what's the meaning of extrusive, it says here, one I told you, The earth's crust is made up of many rocks, mineral matter and all. It's called a rock. Rocks can be different colors, size and texture. Three major rocks: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. I told you, one is fire, one is sedimenting, means settling down, and one is change of form. And out of these fiery rocks, there are two type of rocks. They are also called primary rocks, but there are two type of rocks inside it. One is extrusive and one is intrusive. Now what is extrusive? Extrusive is suddenly when it comes out from the, what do you say, extrusive is which is come out, which comes out from part of the earth's surface. It is coming out from somewhere and coming onto the surface. It's called an extrusive rock, and it's at that time it's molten, which is hot magma from inside that flows out on the earth's surface or explodes into the atmosphere and falls back on the top. It's in contrast, extrusive rocks differs to magma. Simply extrusive rocks are magma which is cooled down on a rapid cooling part. Mainly they have that examples of basalt, they have rhyolite, they have andesite, extrusive like small crystals. You will see the shining inside those rocks. Small crystal type things. You will come to know those are igneous rocks. They are not formed by normal thing. From wherever they are coming. Suppose there is an igneous rocks, we are getting stones, boulders. Don't we get for the roadways and all? They have mines. And these rock mines where they cut rocks and they break stones and they bring. So these are all igneous rocks. If they are shining, if they have small crystals inside, you will know igneous rocks. When they are digging out mud and taking out from there. Mines, they have quarries of stone quarries and all that. Okay. So it's like that. That is extrusive rock. And now we'll come back to, they are called extrusive igneous rocks. They have a very fine grained structure. As I said, basalt, and the Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rocks. Deccan Plateau. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth's crust. Solid rocks are formed, are called intrusive igneous rocks. Since they cool down slowly, they form larger grains. Granite is a sample of such a rock. Grinding stones used to prepare paste, powder of spices, grains are made up of granite. The stones which we have on our kitchen, mom puts kitchen, your mom has a wonderful kitchen, granite stone. We have granite stone on the floor. So these all come, they are already inside. So have you ever been to a quarry where these stones come out? You go to Rajasthan, the Deccan area. You go and see what is this all about. Now the rocks which cool down inside, so they are not facing the atmosphere outside. They have got larger grains inside them. The shiny parts on the stone which you see which is polished, it's like that. So we do masalas on that stone, that is also granite stone. These are all rocks. These are intrusive rocks. So this is the knowledge you should have always. Fossils, they are remains of dead plants and animals trapped in the layers of rocks are called fossils. We'll come to that. We'll finish here today and I'll come back and catch you next time on this again. Okay? See you, take care of yourselves, be good and do whatever you want after your studies. Enjoy life and take care of yourselves and be happy. Bye bye. Respect your parents and be home, be safe. See you soon.